Hi, in today's tutorial, we are going to talk about smart buttons within our email marketing campaigns. So you will go to email marketing. We can create a new campaign template, or you can go to an existing template. For the video purposes here, I am just going to go into my campaign templates. I'm going to go into one of my existing campaign templates, and so we can just demonstrate exactly how a smart button works. So within this template, if you have any buttons within your template, you can use smart buttons. So you can see this template, I have a couple buttons here. So let's show you what the smart buttons can do. I'm going to go ahead and click on this button here, and off to the side, you can see where it says smart buttons. So we can hit get suggestions. So the button currently says see my latest work, but I don't really like the way that it's listed. So let's see what the smart buttons will give us. So we're going to hit get suggestions, and then it is going to generate some other ways to say see my latest work, or just, so here are your examples: discover my creations, view my project, check out my art, etc. You can go and look, and so the tone of this is friendly. So say we want the tone to be professional, then it's going to generate a different set of words for us. And here we go: view my portfolio, explore my creations, discover my projects, view my achievements. So some of these are similar, but it changes the tone. You can do this for all of your buttons and have it give you suggestions. So I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, just let us know.